Hello everybody! In this video we are going to begin Unit 5, Lesson 1 in our blue I Spy Level 2 course book. And when we begin a new set of units, because they do the units by 2, language by 2, Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, we have a new poster page, which we will also discuss. The poster pages are 34, 35. Usually in class we would look at those pages and try to decide what language will we work on in the next two lessons, or units, units 5 and unit 6. So these two units, we will look at the poster pages together and try to figure out what language. Then we will do listenings 74 and 75, which is on page 36. Lesson 1, we will listen to our typical 3 little vignettes and figure out which one is first, second, and third. And then we have new vocabulary, which is learning instruments, but also we are going to learn the plural and the singular of this, these, which is corresponded or accorded with the verb. What is this? One single thing that you're pointing to. What are these? 2 or more things that you might be wanting to ask about that are right there. Okay? What is this? What are these? And it's a drum. Okay, for example, what is this? It's a drum. There's only one. It's a drum. So then you ask, what are these? This is 2. You can have more. So these are batons that you hit things with. Both of them work on the drum. Okay? So we're going to practice that and the questions for musical instruments. Okay? In our last unit we started working with verbs, and we continue with verbs as well, but we also start to learn musical instruments. Okay? You will also have work that needs to be done in your activity book. This page is just a review, so you just have to look at what each spy is doing. 001, 002, you have to read, see what they're able to do, figure out what they are able to do, and decide which one of these descriptions belongs to which spy. Very simple. Okay? You also need in this I Spy, you have page 28, which is the first page for Unit 5. You will also need to prepare your flashcards, which are on page 69. So that's just cut, write your name on the back. It's very simple, you know it. It's at the back of your book, page 69. So get them ready. All of these are plural. These are recorders, these are tambourines, these are drums, these are violins, these are guitars, and these are trumpets. There's not just one. That is a trumpet. These are trumpets. Okay, so it's working on that. Okay, so let's take a look at pages 34 and 35, where we are looking at the zoo. Okay, so in this, what kind of language do you think we might be learning? Okay, maybe we're going to start learning about zoo animals. And maybe we're going to learn about instruments. Okay, so in looking at these, probably we will begin working on musical instruments and playing musical instruments. So the verbs like play a piano, play the violin, which is the same verb, so it's very easy in English. And then animals, and what are the animals doing? And zoo animals. These are not animals at home, zoo animals. Okay, we usually don't have a giraffe hanging around in our yard. So okay, so let's go ahead and open our I Spy 2 book to Unit 5, the first lesson on page 36, and we're going to listen to our little vignettes with our Google School friends. Okay, you open your book and then you can also look at this, but easier to look at your book. Okay, let's listen. Which one is the first, the second, and the third? A, B, or C? Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if I can get it so you can see it. Okay, here we go.
Listening number 73.
What's this one?
Listen and choose.
Listen and choose.
A, B, or C.
Yeah, A, B, or C. Can you see them?
Can you play tennis?
Yes.
Come on, then. Ooh, sorry.
Can you play the tuba? Yeah. Listen. Oh, sorry.
Oops. Play tennis. Play.
Can you ride a horse, Wolfie?
New verb.
Watch. Oh, sorry.
Poor guy. His horse was a little bit startled. So, to ride a horse. So, we're continuing verbs as well as learning how to play instruments. Okay? So, now we're at the bottom of page 36, listening 74. You need to listen. Okay? And we're going to work on this set of instruments. Okay? Here we go.
Listening number 74. Part A.
Part A.
Listen and answer.
Answer.
What's this?
What's this?
A drum.
A drum. There's only one. What's this?
What's this?
A tambourine.
A tambourine. Yeah, ghost.
What's this?
A violin.
A violin. Remember, there's an before each
What's
one.
this?
What's this? A recorder.
A recorder.
A recorder. Okay.
Listening number 74. Part B. Listen and answer.
Listen and answer.
What are these?
What are these? So there's several now. That's plural. Okay.
Drums.
Drums. And you must say the S.
What are these?
What are these?
Tambourines.
Tambourines. Say the S. And there's
What
no
are these?
What are these?
Violins.
Violins.
What are these?
What are these? Don't forget the S.
Recorders.
Recorders. Okay. Okay, so you know that you need to work on this page. Look at the poster pages 34 and 35 just to see what vocabulary you already know, like perhaps giraffe, tiger, bear, this kind of thing. Then you need to remember that we're going to be asking the questions, what's this? This is shortened from what is this to what's this? Okay. It's a, which is a short version of it is a drum. And then when it's more than one, so you have 2 or 3 or 10, what are these? These are drums. Okay, so when it's plural, there is no a, and you must have the S after the noun of plural many things. Okay? And don't forget to do your activity book work. Okay? Bye bye, guys.